Feathers are highly modified scales. There are different types of feathers that have different uses. Feathers are used for flying. Light feathers grow in the wings and the tail. Thermal insulation. Soft down feathers. Oh, I have down feathers in my pillow, but they fell out of the bird. Anyway, thermal insulation. Soft down feathers that grow close to the skin keep birds from getting too cold or too hot. Yeah, nod your head. Ooh, it's pretty there. Look at the moon. Yeah, feathers are also used for courtship and mating displays. These vary tremendously from species to species. Wow, enough about feathers. Ooh, there's my friend, Stinky. Hey, Stinky, how you doing today? He's looking for some food, I think. And there's Stinky's brother, Pinky.